writing from Delhi. They have Dixon shares at a price of 250 rupees at a loss, which is not much. So they want to understand what's the long-term view on this. What should they be doing?
Dixon Technologies, they bought at 250 rupees.
Yes.
Am I understanding that right? Yeah, I mean, so yeah, I can sort of understand the question and not understand it, in the sense that, you're making a whole lot of money. So congratulations, you picked a really good stock. I think that there are great prospects for Dixon Technologies going ahead. But since you're already sitting on such huge gains, maybe you could sort of, sometimes it's nice to actually translate the profit that you're seeing on paper into a reality. So from that perspective, if you want to book some profits, I leave that to you. But from where the stock is at, the kind of businesses they are at in which they are in at, I do see higher levels for the stock. So from that perspective, it's a hold.
That's the view on Dixon Technology. But we have a question who is coming in from Reshma Bhatia. She's writing to us from Pune. She wants an advice on BSE and she's asking if this is the right time to buy for the short term. Osho, what will your view be on BSE?
See, definitely for short-term perspective, the risk reward in this counter is not favorable, because there has been a very strong rally in the counter from the zone of nearly 2000, and now the counter has even tested the zone of 3000 levels. So there can be some kind of profit booking that can be seen in the short-term period. But once it subsides near the zone of 2400 to 2500, that will be a decent levels to start accumulating this counter from a medium to long-term perspective. In the shorter term duration, there is a possibility for profit booking in the counter, and I'm expecting 2400 to get retested in the short-term time frame. So one should wait for the counter to retest the zone and then can start accumulating.
Okay. All right, then that's the view coming in on BSE. And about the previous query, I would just like to mention their buy price, the Dixon buy price wasn't 250. In fact, they hold 250 shares of Dixon. So that was they wanted a long-term view on that. But with that, it's time to take a very short breather on this edition of Buy Now, Sell Now. We'll be right back with more on the other side.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.